Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? It is your man Z Moose. We are after hours and we are reviewing the action of today. Now, what you're looking at right now, you're probably saying, Z Moose, come on, man. What kind of junky chart is this? There are lines everywhere. Ladies and gentlemen, I gotta tell you, I day traded today. I was paper trading the Russell 2K like I have been all week, and like I will continue to do in the future, and I can tell you right now that today was a day full of craziness and a phenomenal amount of setups. Today was one of my worst decision-making days and worst execution days. If it wasn't for this day like today and how many setups that we had throughout the day that I happened to trade well, I would have definitely been in the red today, but I was in the green. We were good to go. We had a 59.26% hit rate, which is pretty bad. But again, we're learning. I'm learning. You know, I'm getting a hang of the day trading thing. Much different from swing trading, but much more interesting. And for my patience level, it is much more rewarding. So, to review the day a little bit, we started by gapping lower from yesterday. We filled the gap at 620.30, but then we retraced, and that was the story of the day. The retrace was the story of the day. We had a lot of different technical patterns that spawned today. Right here, there is a gray box here. You will see it later. That was a VWAP area. It was consolidating above VWAP, and we broke higher. 611. You know, we worked the HODBOs, and we also worked some breakdowns, some midday breakdowns. But the high day breakouts off of the early portion of this morning up until about 11:30, when we saw that top at 620.30, were very, very successful. Buying the breakout and also buying the base worked very well from 12 o'clock. Prior. After 12 o'clock, it got very, very difficult to trade the market. It was much choppier. We had a very nice intraday double bottom here at around, late in the afternoon for the most part, late in the trading session afternoon. 2 hours away from the close, we solidify and confirm a double bottom at 612.20, and we continue to move higher. We also saw a lot of interesting breakouts and breakdowns from trend lines today. We had this large ascending trend line that we traded along for pretty much the entire trading day, and we broke down below it at around 120. From there, we continued lower. We broke below VWAP. It was kind of a mess. We broke below 614.90, which held as a very good pivot today. 614.90, 615 held as a very interesting level today. Very tradable level. And very dependable level as well. A couple of ticks above and below 615 were some good intraday support and resistance areas that I followed. But the very clear story of today was the double bottom here, the high of day breakout trades that I caught successfully on some great volume action in the earlier portion of today. And we also caught a double top here that I shorted. Should have held a little longer, but it took a decent trade from there. 618.60, 618.50 held very, very nicely today, and that was very important to see. Very good to see as well. These are the main volume spikes of the day, what you're seeing here. And we had 5 really big volume spikes over 300. And, a lot of these, this one promoted this uptrend, this one promoted this uptrend. We had a promotion of this uptrend and a promotion of the downtrend here, as well as the downtrend here. But a lot of interesting technical, trading phenomenons, I guess you could call it. A little bit of a strong word there, but this is a great day to intraday trade. This is a great day to day trade. If we look, and this is going to get really, really messy, but if we take a look at VWAP, just concentrate on the gray boxes. We had VWAP touches and breaks all over the place today. So that was another thing that we can thank for today's session. Good luck tomorrow. I look forward to seeing all of you in the morning. Stay tuned for the trading notes below this video.